Good morning, friends. Today topic is the friction. Subtopic is identify machining members in which friction is at rest. So, objectives: resolution of force acting along the inclined plane. Effort required to hold the body in equilibrium. Okay. Introduction of friction. Force acting on a body under friction which is at rest. See diagram explain friction, how to develop on the body, right, on the surface. The force is acting right side direction. The friction is produced in opposite direction, where W is the weight of the body and N is the normal reaction in upward direction. Where W is weight of the body, N is a normal reaction, P is the effort applied, F is as usual friction. Graphic of friction versus effort. Friction versus effort. How much effort is produced? How much friction is developed in between body and surface. So like this graphic. Concept of lifting friction. If force P is increased gradually up to certain value, it is insufficient to cause motion, that is to overcome friction. How to overcome friction? At a certain value, the body is on verge of sliding, that is at point A. If P is increased behind point A, the value of F decreases slightly and then remains constant. Yes. Limiting friction is equal to effort and friction are equal condition. The maximum friction force exerted at the state of independent motion. In the graph, friction force value at point A. Law of solid friction. The frictional force is directly proportional to normal reaction between the two surfaces. Friction depends on material of the two contacting surfaces. Friction independent of area of contacting between the surfaces. It is independent of the contacting of the two surfaces. For low velocities of sliding, kinetic friction developed is independent of velocity. Law of fluid friction. Yes, in fluids, friction how is developed? Friction depends on the properties of lubricants. Identify of friction is independent of load acting. Friction is independent of material of the contacting surface. With increasing in temperature of the lubricant, friction force is required. With increasing the temperature of the lubricants, friction force is reduced. So finally, yes, assignment. Define limiting friction, definition to write, and explain law of frictions. Okay, thank you. Next class will be continue tomorrow.